Hi, if you book a taxi to commute within your city, then this message is for you. If you are a female listening to this, I request you to listen to this till the very end for your own safety. I don't know if this is some new taxi scam that's going around, but very recently when I was coming back home from Andheri East, in case you're not from Mumbai, it's an area in Mumbai. I was at the red signal in the cab. The car stops, obviously. The driver gets off, goes to a nearby store, returns with a cold drink bottle, sits inside the cab, and offers it to me. This is where it began to feel strange. I didn't tell him I'm thirsty, get me water, get me cold drink. He got off, grabbed a cold drink, so I assumed that he is thirsty. My eyes were on him throughout, so I know that he didn't tamper with the bottle, but I refused. I didn't want the cold drink. But a thought struck that why did he offer it to me? It's not that he came back with two. That would still be understandable that you give one to your customer as a courtesy. Um so then what came to me, the thought that came to me was that maybe he wanted to come in my good books. He wanted to win my trust so that I can continue to remain busy on my phone. In Mumbai, to go from one area to another, it usually takes minimum an hour or most of the times an hour and a half. If I'm really tired, I might close my eyes and take 40 winks. Otherwise, most of the times my head is down. I'm busy on my phone. Post that moment, I left my phone and I began looking up because if I'm on my phone and I'm not looking up, he might, just drive me off to some deserted location. So I made sure that my eyes are on the road. I recognize the roads. So if you too spend a lot of time on your phone while sitting in the cab like that, every now and then, please look up so that you are aware, you know where you are, you recognize the roads. I'm not saying that you should know all the roads of your city, but point being, you feel you're safe. And in case you feel that the lane is very deserted and your gut is telling you that something isn't right, then please get off from the cab, inform your near and dear ones. Also, for your safety, always keep a pepper spray with you. Thank you. Stay safe.